All right, you're ready to buy a home in Phoenix, Arizona. But now comes the tough question: to pool or not to pool? It's the great debate. I often find people are on opposite ends. It's either a must-have or a hell no. Before you dive into the idea of diving into your own pool, let's chat about the pros and cons to help you decide if a pool is right for you. Welcome. I'm Heidi Littleton, realtor with My Home Group Real Estate, serving the Metro Phoenix area. If you want to know everything there is about Phoenix living and real estate, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. Let's dive in. Pro number 1, the glorious sun. Picture yourself basking in the Arizona warmth, floating in your pool with a cold beverage in hand. It's like having your own private oasis right in your backyard. Hello, vitamin D. But hey, let's not get carried away like a pool noodle on a summer breeze. Here comes con number 1, maintenance. Maintaining a pool requires dedication and attention to detail. Yep, keeping it shimmering blue requires some TLC. Chlorine, pH, balancing, skimming leaves. It's a labor of love and crucial to ensure your pool remains pristine. So ask yourself if you're up for the responsibility. Pro number 2, the ultimate Arizona cool down for beating the heat. When the temperature starts soaring like a rocket taking off, plunging into cool, crystal clear water is like experiencing a revitalizing escape from the desert's fiery embrace. It's your personal retreat where you can beat the heat with style and grace. No more melting like an ice cream cone on a hot sidewalk. But hold your margaritas, folks. Here comes con number 2, higher costs. Yes, those shimmering waters come with a price tag. Apart from the initial installation, you'll need to consider water bills, increased insurance premiums, energy costs, cleaning company if you go that route, and of course, the occasional repair. So make sure to factor it all into your budget. Pro number 3, the ultimate hangout spot. Imagine hosting unforgettable gatherings, poolside parties, and making memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you want to throw a backyard bash, impress your friends, or just lounge in style, with a pool, your home becomes the go-to destination for friends and families. It's the ultimate entertainment hub. But hey, we're all about keeping it real here. So con number 3, safety concerns. Pools, especially if you have kids or pets, require vigilance and proper precautions. Installing proper safety measures such as pool fences, alarms, and constant supervision is of paramount importance. So make sure you have all of the safety measures in place. We want you to have fun, but prioritize your family's safety above all else. Pro number 4, there's just something about a pool in the yard that instantly says Oasis. Just looking at the water when you are somewhere hot seems to make you feel cooler. If you have a pool in your backyard, every other aspect of the home seems to shine a bit brighter. It can also add to your home appeal if future buyers have a pool on their must-have list. Con number 4, while most people think of Arizona as a place that experiences endless summer, you generally cannot use your pool all year long. Some pools are heated, in which case you can likely leave it open, but for those who have pools without a heating system, the water gets chilly. Water temps only reach a bearable temperature somewhere around mid to late May, and if you're pushing it and like the cold, you may be able to swim into October. After that, goodbye pool. Once the pool is closed up for the other 2/3 of the year, it just becomes a responsibility you have to look at and care for but not use. Pro number 5, easy accessibility. While there are community pools you can visit if you don't have a pool, there is nothing more exhausting than packing up everyone, driving to the pool, getting everyone packed back up, and driving back home. Having a pool in your backyard allows you to dive in no time. Con number 5, it may not add as much value as you might think. Many people think that if you spent $20,000 on a pool, then that it's worth $20,000. However, that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, depending on the neighborhood, it may actually not be worth any added value. So don't expect to get back your full return on investment with a pool. Now, the decision is all yours, to pool or not to pool. Let me know in the comments which team you're on. If you have additional questions about owning a pool in Phoenix, don't hesitate to reach out. All of my contact information is below. If you found this video helpful and want to be the first to know about all things Phoenix, Arizona living, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, happy house hunting.